Hi, this is Bikini Wolf Mom out here in the Pacific Northwest in a excluded area. It's really beautiful. The sun's out. There is a lot of people up the road that way. So we found this perfect layout right here that has this nice little stream. The water is extremely cold, but it's beautiful. Couldn't ask for a better day. Anyway, so today I'm going to be doing a photo shoot out here with Malibu Strength and possibly a couple of micro minimums bathing suits. So Malibu Strings and micro minimums. And I'll tell you why I can't put these on, because they're really, you see that? That one's super sexy. It's a little sheer, it's very sheer. As you can see, but those are the bathing suits I'll be modeling out here, and we'll be doing photo shoots for my OnlyFans and Patreon and Bikini Fanatics. So, there we go. Beautiful, huh? Okay, well, it's time to get undressed and get some bathing suits on. See you later. Bye.